top should come right off.
Ta-da!
For the insides. Look at that. Wow, that's just loose laying there. That's crazy. Look at this thing. And then the hidden one is holding this bracket in, but it really doesn't matter anymore because we are free. There's the bottom. I wonder what this mysterious indentation was. Just a mysterious indentation.
Nothing too crazy.
Look how small that disk drive is. Is it even secured? No. So, let's pop that baby off. Got your SATA, your power, and this thing is way, way, way smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's basically big enough to get the disc in there and spin it, so
about as big as a hand.
Imagine what the inside of this bad boy is going to look like when the laser changes start coming in. There's your model number and everything. You can tap the screen to zoom in if you want. Or just double tap on it and it'll go in. Model. Alright. Put that to the side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades on the Xbox fan. It's about 20 short of the PS3 fan, or the PS4 fan, but it is much bigger. The heatsink is humongous. If you could see in there, there's their copper piping. And there's the front 3 Torx to take off the sensor. Let's pop them off. Do I see an X clamp? I think I see an X clamp. Come out like the old ones. There's the back. I'll put that over there. The hard drive is open. Only thing that sucks is you have to void your warranty to change your hard drive. So if you guys want to upgrade like they let you on Sony, you're going to have to void your warranty.
You don't get to keep shit.
Let's pop the SAT out. Power for that. No screws for that assembly either. So I guess the lack of screws is basic. On this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 wires on the fan. Nice big heat sink, and then we have just random Wi-Fi just hanging out here. So let's unplug this fan, and then we're gonna flip her over. Let's take the Wi-Fi out first. Then we got 4 more T9s to come out. If you notice here, there's 2, which would take the back plate off, and probably all the connections here would be left behind on the board. This could be a quick ass video, dude. I'm gonna have this thing fucking live.
We're on 5 minutes with this one.
Yeah. We're 5 minutes. This whole breakdown's gonna be like a fucking 10-minute video.
Beginning to end.
I wanna take the X clamp off, but I don't wanna fucking. I hate taking the tension off of it.
Why? Does it all go to shit?
Yeah, that's how the other ones got their red rings, because they would lose their tension and then they'd be shot.
How the hell do you sleep like that? You up, man?
What?
I don't know how you sleep like that, man.
Oh, jeez, dude. Have you seen some of the spots I slept in?
I guess we're gonna have to release the whole board to get this fucker up. So, might as well take them all out.
We're already on 20% for that Bluetooth.
That's awesome. You're almost ready, Dave. These guys over here.
For some reason, I thought it was like 6 o'clock. You know, I had to get to work to jump that laptop on.
You good?
You got plenty of time. Okay. Set back, come off. No. It's just to free the board then. We're gonna get free, like, what the fuck goes on here now? Obviously these all have to stay on. They're just being held on by the thermal paste or what? Because this board is not coming out. Yeah, it's the X clamps. I can see the chip, but alright, so I think that's as far as we're gonna go, because X clamps I do not want to take off, which would be right under here. So unfortunately we're not going to be able to see the chip on this teardown. I'm sure you've seen the pictures on iFixit or something, but yeah, they have a heat sink covering it. I can see it from in here, or a heat, you know what I mean. But I don't want to pop this off unless we're going the whole distance, and tonight we're not. So these are the X clamp. Are these the X clamps?
I believe. I think these were actually. There's 4 of them.
All right.
You want me to
I'll
record
tell
you
in a
building it?
second. Nah, you don't have to record. So that's pretty much it. I mean, we're not going to delve too deep into this because we haven't even turned the damn thing on to play it yet. Basically, all you need is a T9 torque screwdriver and a little pressure, and you get into this thing. Nothing's really attached. Everything just kind of sits in here in pins. So I mean, the hard drive's again not secure inside an Xbox, but it does have a pin to keep it in instead of just rubber straps here, praying that nobody touches it and while it's playing a game. But I'll tell you what, this is the smallest hard drive or Blu-ray drive I've ever seen. So I'm kind of interested to take this apart one day and show you guys what the inside of this thing looks like. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Your hard drive, your Wi-Fi, your strange just sit here Wi-Fi connection, and big ass fan and a heat sink with got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chips around it. There's probably one big nice one under there I'm sure you all thought we were going to see tonight, but unfortunately we are not. Because there's pictures all up on the internet of it already, and I didn't even get to play this thing yet. And I don't want to take this X clamp off because that just means I'm releasing tension, and I'm going to have to do the X clamp mod on a brand new Xbox One. And I am not doing that. So, Mod Squad Video Game Store brings you this. I bid you all a fair goodbye, goodwill, good being, goodbye.